Located in Quebec, Novika Solutions is a nonprofit organization that works with industrial partners to help improve their competitiveness. This video highlights a robotic laser welding system developed by Novika Solutions. The system features a FANUC R2000IB 165F laser welding robot and a Precitech YW50 laser welding head with servo robot Quanta LF seam tracker. The wire feed system is a Lincoln PowerFeed 10R, while the power source is from the Lincoln Electric PowerWave 655R. For the welding of two heavy metal plates, the starting gap is at 0 mm and the ending gap is at 1.9 mm. This hybrid process involves laser welding that forms a keyhole, allowing the GMAW welding process to achieve higher deposition rates. The operator loads the two halves of the heavy plates into the fixture. These plates are 12.7 mm or exactly half of an inch thick. Once the parts are in place and the cycle is started, the servo robot sensor scans the joint location and gap. Notice the robot's slight movements at the start. The laser beam location is then adjusted to the gap condition and the MIG welding process starts simultaneously. During the weld, the servo robot sensor tracks the weld joint, allowing the robot to adjust to changes in the size of the weld joint. The operator unloads and flips the part to display the complete penetration of the weld. The backside of the welded plates shows the high quality of the weld. These three cross sections are the start, middle, and end of the weld. Next, we see a display of the servo robot sensor data. This data provides adaptive parameters for the laser and GMAW welding process. This shows how the robot's welds are adaptive to variations in the part through the use of the servo robot sensor. A section of the completed part with variations in the weld width are examined close up. This again illustrates the excellent weld quality with 100% penetration. To learn more about Novika Solutions, please visit their website at www.novika.ca.